Hello friends, Exceladze tutorial Guwahati Recruitment 2022 faculty vacancy ওলাইছে সো আপোনালোকে এপ্লাই কৰিব পাৰে Exceladze tutorial Guwahati last date আছে 30 তাৰিখ 4 মাহ 2022 30 এপ্ৰিল লৈকে Exceladze tutorial Guwahati has released a notification for the recruitment of 4 faculty vacancy. Interested and eligible candidates may apply. Name of post faculty, number of posts as 4 subjects chemistry and physics, role to teach students from class 8 to class 12, pay up to reach 15,000 per month. Eligibility criteria of Exceladze tutorial Guwahati recruitment. So friends, eligibility criteria age limit maximum 35 years of age, educational qualifications minimum qualification BTech MSc in applied subjects, experience minimum 2 years of teaching experience required in teaching class 11 and 12. Application fees if any na dia hoa nai. How to apply for Exceladze tutorial Guwahati recruitment. So friends can apply koribo. Candidates may call 6002388843 or mail your CV in exceladze@gmail.com. Work time 4:30 p.m. to 7:45 p.m. Last date of submission of application 30th April 2022. Company profile. Exceladze is a coaching center based in Maligaon, Guwahati. Here we effectively teach the board's curriculum on physics, chemistry, mathematics, biology, science, English, social science, computer science from class 8 to class 12 for CBSE, SEVA and HSEC with special classes for G mains and NEET with a brilliant faculty set, exceptional teaching methodology, comprehensive study material, and a regular periodic test. We make scoring in boards a natural process filled with fun, knowledge, and understanding.